Here we go, third time's a charm. This didn't work out quite the way I wanted it to, but we'll get through it. Okay, so find the value of the trig functions. First thing you gotta do is figure out where is the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is across from the right angle. So this one right here is my hypotenuse. Then find the opposite. Opposite is across from theta. So this is the opposite. Adjacent is next to theta and it's not the hypotenuse. So this one is adjacent. So now let's find sine. Sine of theta. Remember, you have to say which angle you're finding sine of. We're finding sine of theta. So, ka, toa. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite side, measures 5 units. So 5 goes on top. Opposite over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 13. So sine is 5 over 13. You could put it in a calculator and come up with a decimal answer. You don't have to though. I'm just going to leave it like that. Sine, cosine is next. Cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. How long is the adjacent side? Oh, 12. How long is the hypotenuse? Still 13. That's my answer. How about tangent? Okay. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. How long is the opposite side? 5. How long is the adjacent side? 12. So tangent is 5 over 12. Now, let's see. Okay, last one. Find the value of the trig functions. Well, look, we don't have a theta in this one. Angle A is a right angle, so it's irrelevant. We can find the trig functions for C or T. Let's do both. For angle C, we're going to find sine of C. Actually, let me erase that. We're going to find sine of C. We're going to find cosine of C. We're going to find tangent of C. Okay, so if we're looking at C right here, hypotenuse is 25. Opposite of C is 24. Adjacent to C is 7. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, 24 over 25. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, 7 over 25. Tangent is opposite over hypotenuse, 24 over 7. Okay, but we could do this differently. We could instead find sine, cosine, and tangent of t. Let's see, I'm going to find my eraser. I'm going to erase that. The hypotenuse is always the hypotenuse. It doesn't change. However, the adjacent and opposite change based on which angle you're looking at. So let's use red this time. This time we're looking at t. We want sine of t, cosine of t, and tangent of t. All right? So, hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Opposite this time is going to be across from t because we're trying to find sine and cosine of t. So this one is opposite, and this one is adjacent. Okay? Sine, opposite over hypotenuse, 7 over 25. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, 24 over 25. Tangent, opposite over adjacent, 7 over 24. All right, I'm going to do a few examples on Get More Math. Hopefully you'll be able to figure all this out. There are lots and lots of videos online that explain this, so feel free to use other resources. And of course, email me if you have problems. Good luck. Couple weeks left. Finish strong. Talk to you later. Bye.